The TK32HM model is designed to be used in conference halls, training centers, and university classrooms. The podium has wide speaker panels with sliding cover from left and right. You can easily place your external PC or laptop and connect to the podium. The podium has 22-inch multi-touch PCAP touchscreen. It has 10 touch points and the response time is very short, as you can see. The screen has connected to the player PC inside the podium. The angle of the speaker screen can be adjusted up to 25 degrees for easy reading and presentation. It has grip and annotation software. The software allows you to record the presentation, highlight important points on the presentation. The podium has a 32-inch Full HD digital signage front screen with built-in signage media player and content management software. You can schedule the content and remotely broadcast to the front screen from an external device. The front screen is covered by a tempered protection glass. The front screen brightness is 450 nits, which can be used even in very lighted atmospheres. The height of the podium can be adjusted. It can be also adjusted by the remote control or mobile application. This function enables the podium to be used by disabled people and children on the minimum height level. With the switch, you can select sources between podium PC and an external PC to display on projector. The switch has freeze function. The scaler feature, the switch can recognize the projector and fix the resolution automatically without needing any additional work. You can also control the volume from the switch panel. And we also optionally offer built-in amplifier. The podium has 2-piece speakers on each side. The podium has 18-inch Shure gooseneck microphones. The microphone also has a mute function. The microphone socket has a shock mount to prevent noise and for protection purposes. On the top of the podium, there are USB 2.0 and USB 3.0 input socket to upload content or your presentation to the PC player and front screen. Here we have the player PC on and off switch button. The speaker can fix the speaking time through the 3.5-inch touchscreen timer. It has also a clock and a chronometer. It also has a power plug for external devices. And we also have the RJ45 for network connections. Here you can see the master on and off switch, the power plug, the USB 2.0 input, the microphone out, HDMI out to connect the podium to a projector, interactive whiteboard, or any large format display screen.